William, sharing and Soapy TV, gaming and vlogs every day. Okay. Guys, welcome back to a brand new video and welcome to a Hulk video. So I need to do my PO. Here we go, guys. This is a fresh up PO. I hope this video gets like it. I hope this looks good. Yeah, it's really liking this video though. Ever video in the world. La la la. Yeah, it's liking this in universe, so yeah. This is a pressure one. Oh my god. Oh my god! No. Ah! Alright guys, this is the likeness. I'll ask them. This video is likeness. Don't worry. It is likes. That has likes. I hope I do hopefully video next week. This video is all about Hulk PFO likeness. Yeah, Hulk PFO likeness. Hulk PFO likeness. Come on now. They updated their sound a little bit. Pretty impression because it's likeness. Right guys. I hope tomorrow's video gets like I've been recording and it's a chat guys. And yeah, through the whole I was with it and what I was going diving and boom baby. Yeah boys and girls, thank you. Yeah, this is a new Hulk update, refreshment, new sound, and yeah guys, that's it. Stay seated. Oh no. Ah guys, this video is a little bit like this guys. Right guys, alright. Right guys, thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see the Incredible Hulk in likeness, guys. Right, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, still never miss video. We're almost hitting 10 subscribers. If we hit 10 subscribers, we get 6 million more gift cards. And yeah, that's the Incredible Hulk. If you know it's in Starfly City. Right guys, it's about to launch. Let me take like a picture for my screen. 3, 2, 1. Boom, there we go. I'm gonna have no time. Yeah baby, this is it guys. And woohoo! Bye guys! And I need to do my outro. Alright everyone, thank you so much. The outro is a little bit loud because mommy's talking to Sophie. Don't worry everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to never miss a video. Bye guys!